KCET champions, finally your wait is over because the most awaited crash course, that is Lakshya crash course for KCET students, have been launched. So I'll give you a brief introduction and will then move you directly to how to enroll for this crash course. So KCET Lakshya crash course is an offline day scholar plus residential crash course. How you can avail it? Basically, you need to go on the website, that is diksha.learning.com/KCET coaching. Okay, once you go in this website, you can have a look at this. Now I want to eagerly tell you that 2 out of 3 students get the seat at BMS, MSRIT, PES, the top engineering and medical colleges from the same course. And this is the result of Deeksha. And this is what we promise to you, my dear students. 1,538 out of 2,541 students from the same course got the seat offers for all these great institutions which you are waiting to get into it. How to block your seats? Now this is the most important thing. How to enroll for that? You can block your seats from the same website for KCET Coaching 2026-2027. What you need to enter here are the credentials like your name, your email address, your mobile number and your preference calling slot when we can call you and give you a brief introduction about the course and can have all your doubts clear in your mind. One more important thing, and if you want to call us for any doubts in your mind regarding the same course, there is a number provided in the same website here, right at the left corner, and this is how you can block your seat, students. So your KCET exam is quite closer, and right now it is a high time you should take your decision for your career. So this is how you can enroll for the same course. Go on the website diksha.learning.com. Do not forget to grab this opportunity super soon.